Alright guys, with the other day, Russell Chester Garcia Auditorium, something like that. You know, with the Hurricane versus Griga. You know, game 2. Bro, watch out, who you gonna win, bro?
My family really don't know that. But even if Dream Ballers got it, it is what it is, fam. Well,
Watch out.
I don't hold a Griga, so I'm going for Dream Ballers right now.
You the rep, watch out, Hurricane the bad boy, like 10, bro.
Actually, I still got trust in my team, man. They are come back.
Respect, bro. Sound like a true warrior, man.
Don't say it, man. Don't say it.
Alright, you know, home team with the curve, like about 10 coke, not cocaine, like coke and water.
Not cocaine.
Yeah, watch out, who you gonna win, bro?
I come from Hurricanes, must want that Griga. I come from Hurricanes, must want that Griga. I come from Hurricanes, must want that Griga.
No,
You never hear that from me. Anonymous.
Yo, so watch out with that Griga, but watch out, who got to win tonight, man? Everybody said Dream Ballers. I must say that Griga for real. Watch out, I know bias, right? But like nobody for Hurricane no one. You think they're afraid or?
Why I don't know, you know, bro. Why I got faith in Dream Ballers tonight, man.
You got
tonight, yes, man.
Tonight, not every night.
Tonight. Once they win tonight, I will advance the next game. There'll be a battle with them, man.
Guys, thank you very much, man. Enjoy the game and God bless you. Don't know what's
Respect, bro.
Yo, bro. Who you gonna win tonight, man? What do you say?
I know, just come out for the plane cause support my boy now, but see everybody come out in a full block and thing for funeral, but I got no funeral for that. Then tonight we'll close it. Open the cassette and close it back for a trip. Just like last year.
But which team you the rep?
Hurricanes out there, bro.
Alright, so you come here black for bury dream back.
Yes, man.
Alright. Death in the dream. That's why I'm sleeping.
Wanna go down, had a good season, but all good things must go to an end, you think?
Oh, bro, I know how bias. I just interview people.
Alright, then we're good, man.
Let's do it. Why are you interviewing him?
Yo, watch out. Who you gotta win tonight, man? What do you say?
I think Dream Ballers. They are with the rep. Home team.
But quick question, bro. You know, on the dreams or on the courts?
On the court. We're dreaming already, but we're going for the court now.
Or something like Joseph dreamed.
Correct. You know what it was.
Bless. Biblical.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So we have a defender right here, bro. I still support the sport even though team of the game. Who you got the win, man?
Yeah, man, I'm just out here supporting, but shit. I think Hurricane's gonna get it, man. Chris gonna get a double-double. You already know how that go.
Is it a bias or you just think?
Nah, I just know, bro. My dog's gonna do it.
Respect, bro.
Yeah, respect, man.
Good night, young lady. Who you gotta win tonight?
I think Dream Ballers will win tonight.
Dream Ballers?
Yeah.
You think or you know?
I know that they are fast.
Well, guys, don't know I know bias, but she say, right? So respect, man. Good night, ladies. So I have a quickly question for them, man. Who got the win tonight?
Hurricane! Go!
Hey. No, she's a Hurricane, right? Over there. But you make big noise. So what if they don't win? How you feel tonight?
Still blow because Hurricane got it.
Alright, bless. Well, enjoy the game, guys. Good night, guys. Say what you going, right? We got some people want to talk soft. I want to declare it if you really believe it. Who will win tonight?
Griga got to win with everyone.
Dream Ballers over there.
Alright, bless. You know, I know bias today. I also a small YouTuber, so I bring with the people they say, I think. Bless. Who we got tonight?
Griga, Dream Ballers.
Dream Ballers the win?
Blackout tonight.
Blackout, no?
There tonight.
Watch out, by the time you how the dream on win and not only fulfill it. Dreams do come true, no?
Watch it, dreams always come true.
Alright, bless. Yo, what they going on, bro? Watch out, who got to win tonight? You think Hurricane, Dream Ballers, what they going on with this?
Dream Ballers.
Dream Ballers?
We don't lose that.
This is our bias because of our Griga or this stuff?
We don't lose that home game. Hey,
I like how he said yes, you know. He said yes.
We don't want to lose that whole
I plan to make me lose today.
Yeah, we're going to enjoy the game, guys. I like that 5-1 necklace, man. Support with Belize and business. God bless, and we don't know what's up, man. Okay, so who we got here tonight?
My name is Joel Jenkins.
Joel.
Right here from Griga.
And so that means you think Griga's gonna win?
Of course, bro. It's a home game. You know we're a home team, so we got this one. We take it.
But it's not like home court cheating. It's just advantage,
nah,
right?
it's just
not
advantage.
cheating.
When in there is packed, bro. You can't even hear yourself speak, bro.
Hey, Hurricane brought a couple buses.
Huh?
Hurricane brought a couple
Nah,
buses.
that's not gonna matter tonight, bro. We're gonna show out. We got this one
man.
tonight. Taking it to game 3, bro.
Alright, guys, watch out. Now who we got out here tonight? Who we got out here? What your name, bro?
Justin from TikTok,
Justin from TikTok, guys. On the follow Justin on TikTok. We can't in fact, can't really go on, right? Who not gonna win tonight?
I got faith in a dream balance. I want to ride all on the Facebook. I think Hurricanes are winning.
Oh my god.
But what I personally think, dream ballers are lose because I hear a lot of Benin City man, the boss shot nice, you know.
What? But I going home, I can't.
Then they don't OB it. OB strong.
Oh my. Oh.
I'm thinking that Griga man OB.
Good night. Who we got out here tonight, man?
We're here with Bad Girl Shy. And I think Hurricane will win because Hurricane come from far and we not come from Ram.
Hey, that one that's the number one in the video, but she's going. But Bad Girl Shy, who you got to win?
I think Hurricane will win because my thing for Hurricane and they eat coochie. I can't say that. And Dream Ballers do win. We talk it. The OB are not strong tonight. Hurricane come with the win.